Today we will going to discuss on the concept of the computer networks. So the first question arises in our mind is what is the computer networks? So a computer network is a system that connects numerous independent computers in order to share information, data and any resources. Now we will discuss on the topics such as the categories, the topologies, ISO OSI model, TCP/IP protocol, physical layer, transmission media, multiplexing, switching, ISDN. We will going to discuss on these topics based on the concept of the computer networks. Now we will going to discuss on the categories, the types of the computer networks. Such as there are four types of the computer networks. The first one is the local area network, and the second one is the wide area network. The third one is the personal area network, and the fourth one is the metropolitan area network. Now the next topic is the topologies. There are 7 different network topologies in the computer networks. These are the point to point network and the bus network, ring, star, tree, mesh and hybrid. These are the 7 types of topologies in computer networks. Now we will going to discuss on the OSI model. The full form of the OSI model is the Open System Interconnection, and it is a reference model that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in the another computer. The OSI model was developed in the year 1984, and it is developed by the International Organization for Standardization such as the ISO. OSI consists of 7 layers and each layer performs a particular network function. The 7 layers of the OSI model are the physical layer, the data link layer, network layer, the transport layer, the session layer, presentation and the application layer. These are the 7 different layers of the OSI model. Now the next topic is the TCP/IP protocol. The full form of the TCP/IP protocol is the Transmission Control Protocol and the Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP protocol is a concise version of the OSI model as we discussed. As you see in the diagram also, the data link layer and the physical layer combines to form the network access layer of the TCP/IP protocol, and also the application layer, presentation layer and the session layer of the OSI model also form a combination of the application layer in TCP/IP protocol, and the transport layer, the network layer is as it is in the TCP/IP protocol. The OSI model, the transport layer provides a guarantee for the delivery of the packets, but in the TCP/IP protocol, the transport layer does not provide the surety for the delivery of packets, but still we can say that it is a reliable model. Now the next topic is the transmission media. The transmission media is divided into two main categories such as the wide or guided media and the wireless or unguided media. It is also known as the bounded or unbounded media. The wire or guided media is also divided into three main types such as the twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. And the wireless or unguided media is also divided into three parts such as the radio waves, microwaves and the infrared waves. Now the next topic is the multiplexing. Multiplexing is the sharing of a medium or bandwidth. It is a process in which the multiple signals coming from multiple sources are combined and transmitted over a single communication or physical line. Multiplexers are also divided into two parts such as the analog and digital multiplexer. The analog is of two types such as the frequency division multiplexing FDM and wavelength division multiplexing such as WDM. And digital multiplexer is divided into time division multiplexing. Time division multiplexing TDM is also divided into two types such as the synchronous TDM and asynchronous TDM. Now the next topic is the switching. Switching is the process of transferring data packets from one device to another in a network or from one network to another using specific devices called switches. There are three types of switching methods such as message switching, circuit switching and the third one is the packet switching. Now the next topic is the ISDN. The full form of the ISDN is Integrated Service Digital Network. It's set of communication standard that uses digital transmission to make phone calls, video calls, transmit data, and other network services over the circuits of the traditional PSTN.